every day. 垃圾 most of with paper and cardboard, like packaging and cartons. Recycling stations often face storage challenges. With disorganized paper waste, use a baler to compress waste into bales. Makes transportation easier and reduce costs.
We often balers from 80 to 200 tons.
Suitable for recycling paper, old clothes, plastic. Contact me for more details and tailored solutions.